Thinking of buying a new iPhone in 2025 but unsure whether to choose the iPhone 13 or iPhone 14? This video will help clarify the key differences. First, let's discuss performance. Both the iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 are powered by the A15 Bionic chip, ensuring smooth performance for apps and gaming. Users can expect a seamless experience, with no significant speed difference between the two models. Now, let's move on to the cameras. Each phone features dual 12MP cameras, but the iPhone 14 has improved low-light performance in the photonic engine, enhancing photography in challenging conditions. The iPhone 13 still captures excellent everyday photos, making it a reliable choice for casual users. Next is battery life. The iPhone 14 lasts longer due to efficiency improvements, while the iPhone 13 easily lasts a full day for most users, making both devices dependable. Let's also consider features. The iPhone 14 includes crash detection and emergency SOS via satellite, providing added safety. While these features are beneficial, they may not be essential for everyone. Finally, the iPhone 13 is significantly cheaper, offering better value for money. If value is key, the iPhone 13 is the smarter choice. However, for those who prioritize camera quality and safety features, the iPhone 14 might be worth the investment. Which one would you choose? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone guides and reviews.